Chef Leyla's laughing at me.
Yes, you see that?
Oh, look at you!
Look,
Oh
look,
my
look,
God! I'm coming to you from Istanbul. To say extraordinary would be an understatement. This hotel was the first hotel built in Europe after World War II. One of the first hotels that Hilton had outside the Americas over 70 years ago. Tonight, we're gonna reopen the Grand Dame right here on the Bosphorus. But as I've been doing, I wanna go into the kitchen and celebrate with our chefs. Like a lot of you, love to cook, not particularly qualified, but thankfully we have some extraordinary chefs. Let's go see what the chefs have in store for us.
I call this plate food to feel the soul of Turkey. And who's better than to guide us through the process than Chef Leyla? Leyla is doing some backdrop. Sometimes we need to do what Chef is requesting.
This isn't for fun. Now we got tenured team members and we're cooking lunch and serving them lunch. This has got to be done well, on time, and good.
Pressure is on,
Pressure
Chris.
is on.
Chop some mint, yogurt. We really want the mint to balance well with the yogurt. Chef, you wanna come and try? Should we try?
See if it's any good. What's it need?
Little salt.
Little salt, all right.
We have a strict chef. Thank you, Chef.
You're welcome.
Now, the time for the eggplant beğendi.
We don't cut it, we cook it like this.
You will see the whole procedure. So, here we go. The grill is
Charcoal.
charcoal. So Chef Leyla will show us
All
how
right.
to peel the eggplant.
Smoky, beautiful.
We add this now to your bechamel. And at this point, add halloumi cheese.
I know she gave me a hard time last time. I want to get a good grade.
Come on, Leyla.
Gonna tell me so.
Very nice.
Oh,
yes, we did it.
We did it.
We did it. The yogurt is done. Our tomatoes are diced. We have the beğendi ready. This is the last step, the lamb chop.
How have you seasoned these?
We have created our own Turkish spice mix. Try a little bit.
It's like salt, pepper, coriander, garlic salt.
Yes, you got it.
What is it?
Red peppercorn
Oh, it is. I love that.
and onion. I can smell it already.
Oh, that's crispy.
And we're ready to plate up.
Plate out!
Let's do this
Let's
for the
do it.
team.
Let's do
Chris.
it.
A lot of history inside that plate, dating back to the 1900s.
Looks so good. Let's taste it.
Taste
All
this,
this hard work. Yeah. I love the smoke on the lamb. Bechamel smoke is so good. Remember, we have to serve our long-standing team members.
I think we
can't
should
eat
get
too
moving.
much. Okay. I just want to say to my chefs that did the real work, thank you. That was a lot of fun. But I really want to just say thank you. I know we have some incredible long-serving team members that have served this company so extraordinarily well. So the opportunity to serve you a little bit is really a great honor for me. So I hope you enjoy it. Oh my gosh, if you guys had the chance to taste this, it was just extraordinary. I'll be back with you really soon with another delightful dish to share with you.